Trend Trackers aims to engage middle school students as data scientists, working together to solve pressing global challenges through a process of data inquiry. We propose that immersive technologies provide unique opportunities for students to build lived experiences with inaccessible sources of data. We asked, how might an immersive problem-based learning experience support youth in reasoning about how data are produced and used? In Trend Trackers, students begin by exploring the fictional city of Springfield. They tap on places like Trend Trackers Consulting to learn more about their role as a data scientist. They tap on places like Springfield University to learn more about their scientific partners. And they visit City Hall to learn more about the needs of Springfield residents. After students hear from Dr. John Dennehy about his work measuring flu presence in the community through wastewater, students are prompted to collect data as a team through a driving game. Students use their arrow keys to navigate their car to the wastewater treatment plants. Teams preview the map to get familiar with the goals of the game, and when the whole team is ready, players drive around the map of Springfield, collecting as many samples as they can before the time is up. Next, students go to Dr. Dennehy's lab to measure how much flu RNA is present in the samples. They pasteurize samples, isolate RNA using a centrifuge, and measure the amount of RNA using a real-time PCR. In this design case, we investigated 3 conjectures grounded in a humanistic framework for data literacy, which suggests that to prepare K-12 students to work with data, they need to consider human dimensions of data, such as understanding how data are shaped by personal experiences, cultural or disciplinary practices, and socio-political purposes. We collected data iteratively, first with small groups and finally with a classroom implementation. Data included observations, surveys, artifacts, and transcripts. We identified themes in how students engaged with data through personal, cultural, and socio-political perspectives, and what immersive or interactive features mediated engagement. We found that 7 of 11 7th graders who responded to the survey said the card game was fun and engaging. On the other hand, 4 said the card game was stressful or frustrating due to time limitations. In the survey reflections and in the whole class debrief, students highlighted the lab as engaging because it simulated what actually happens in a lab. Students produced evidence by wrangling, visualizing, and analyzing data. They then made evidence-based claims about how to address the main problem. We found that the virtual science lab supported engagement with personal and cultural perspectives on data. The game was emotionally engaging for students, and the problem-based narrative supported cultural engagement through wrangling, visualizing, and analyzing data. However, the narrative needed to support students further in personal and socio-political engagement, and the game needed further support to help students collaborate in planning and in evaluating their success. These challenges will inform the next iteration of our design conjectures.